you. There's so much on my mind. And there's so much more I gotta do. Well, I'm working through the night. But I just can't stop watching you. I gotta keep looking out through the window, trying to read your mind. I'm looking at you lying down on your pillow, wishing I was by your side. I'm trying so hard, but I can't keep my mind on anything I do, 'cause I'm always watching you. I'm always watching you. Well, I watch you close your eyes.
Talking about what is and what ain't country. What gives them the right to wear a pair of beat-up boots?
I'll protect you from the hooded claw, keep the vampires from your door. When chips are down, I'll be around with my undying, captifying love for you. The evil eye will trouble you.
Now playing is HD Harmonic. My opinion is it's quite loud, but the high is too much. The low mid is not that enough. Overall, good SPL, but not my type of music. My audio quality type.